The concept of Earth as a prison planet is a fascinating and complex theory that posits Earth might not be humanity's original home, but rather a kind of penal colony established by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. This theory delves into the possibility that humans were deliberately placed on Earth, which serves as a containment or isolation zone for reasons related to our behavior or nature. Central to this theory is the observation that humans exhibit certain traits and tendencies that seem out of sync with the natural environment of Earth. For instance, humans have a unique vulnerability to sunburn, a condition not widely shared by other Earth species. Additionally, there's a noted discomfort with naturally occurring foods and a propensity for chronic diseases, which could imply an adaptation to a different environment. This theory also speculates on the historical and evolutionary trajectory of humans. It suggests that our ancestors, possibly differing in appearance and behavior, were brought here from different locations, perhaps as a form of punishment or containment for behaviors deemed unacceptable in their original societies. These ancestors, possibly possessing advanced knowledge and technology, were theorized to have their memories erased and were scattered across various climates and geographical regions on Earth. Proponents of this theory often point to ancient texts and mythologies, such as those found in ancient India or within Vedic secrets, which hint at celestial beings interacting with or influencing human civilization. These ancient narratives sometimes depict scenarios where beings from the skies visit Earth, sharing knowledge or exerting control, which could be interpreted as evidence of our extraterrestrial origins. The theory also examines the rapid development and advancement of human civilization in various fields such as architecture, art, language, and technology. This advancement is seen as unusually quick in the evolutionary timeline, suggesting external influence or inherent knowledge for a previous, more advanced civilization. However, this theory faces significant counterarguments for the scientific community. Genetics and evolutionary biology strongly suggest a common ancestry with other life forms on Earth, and there's no concrete archaeological or biological evidence to support the idea of extraterrestrial origin or intervention. In essence, the Earth as a prison planet theory combines elements of science fiction, ancient mythology, and speculative thought. It challenges conventional views of human origin and history, encouraging a re-examination of humanity's place in the cosmos. Despite its intriguing nature, it remains a theory with more philosophical and speculative backing than scientific evidence. Human anomalies and alien origins. The idea of human anomalies and alien origins is an intriguing concept that explores the notion that certain unique characteristics of humans might be indicative of an extraterrestrial origin. This perspective delves into various aspects of human physiology and behavior that seem to set us apart from other species on Earth, leading to the hypothesis that humanity may have roots that extend beyond our planet. A key focus of this theory is the examination of certain physiological traits in humans that appear unusual or inexplicable when compared to other Earth-based life forms. For instance, humans are notably prone to sunburn, a trait not widely shared by many other species adapted to Earth's environment. This vulnerability to the sun's rays is often cited as evidence that humans might have evolved under different environmental conditions, possibly on another planet. Additionally, there are aspects of human nutrition and health that fuel this theory. The idea that humans have a natural aversion or discomfort towards certain naturally occurring foods on Earth, coupled with high rates of chronic diseases, is seen as further evidence of our maladaptation to the terrestrial environment. Such health issues could suggest that the human body is inherently designed for a different ecological setting. Proponents of this theory often draw upon ancient knowledge and texts, such as those from ancient India or based on Vedic secrets, which contain stories and descriptions of beings from the sky or other worlds interacting with humans. These ancient accounts are sometimes interpreted as historical records of extraterrestrial contact or evidence of a non-earthly origin for humanity. The concept also delves into the rapid advancement of human civilizations in various fields such as technology, art, and science. This progression is often seen as unusually accelerated, suggesting that humans may have had access to advanced knowledge or capabilities from an extraterrestrial source. However, this perspective is met with skepticism in the scientific community. Genetics and evolutionary biology provide compelling evidence of human evolution on Earth and our shared ancestry with other terrestrial species. The similarities in our genetic makeup with other Earth-based life forms are often cited as a strong argument against the theory of alien origins. In summary, the concept of human anomalies and alien origins is a speculative idea that considers various unique aspects of human physiology and history as potential indicators of an extraterrestrial heritage. While this theory is fascinating and prompts deep questions about humanity's place in the universe, it remains a topic more rooted in speculative thought and ancient mythology than in established scientific evidence. Historical and scientific counterarguments. When examining the theory that suggests human origins might be extraterrestrial, it's crucial to consider the historical and scientific counterarguments that challenge this notion. These counterarguments are grounded in established scientific research and historical understanding, offering a more conventional view of human evolution and history. From an evolutionary biology standpoint, there's substantial evidence supporting the idea that humans evolved on Earth. This evidence is based on the fossil record, genetic data, and observable evolutionary processes. The fossil record shows a gradual development of hominid species over millions of years, with clear transitional forms leading up to modern humans. These fossils, found in various parts of the world, trace the evolution of human characteristics and capabilities in a continuous and gradual manner. Genetics plays a critical role in understanding human origins. The human genome shows a significant degree of similarity with other terrestrial species, particularly the great apes. For example, the genetic makeup of humans and chimpanzees is approximately 99% similar, suggesting a common ancestor. This genetic link is a strong indicator that humans share an evolutionary history with other life forms on Earth, rather than being of alien origin. Additionally, the field of anthropology provides insights into human development and migration patterns across the globe. Studies of ancient human cultures, languages, and artifacts indicate a progression of societal development that aligns with what would be expected from a species evolving in different environments on Earth. These studies show how human societies have adapted to various climates and geographical challenges, supporting the idea that humans are a natural part of Earth's biosphere. The theory of extraterrestrial origins also encounters challenges when considering the environmental adaptation of humans. While there are unique aspects of human physiology, such as susceptibility to sunburn, these can often be explained through natural evolutionary processes. For instance, the loss of body hair and development of sweat glands in humans are seen as adaptations to a savanna environment, where regulating body temperature was crucial for survival. In terms of ancient accounts and texts, such as those from ancient India or Vedic teachings, historians and archaeologists typically interpret these as mythological or symbolic, rather than literal historical accounts. While these stories may speak to a deep human curiosity about the stars and other worlds, they are not generally considered evidence of extraterrestrial intervention or origins. In summary, the historical and scientific counterarguments to the theory of extraterrestrial human origins are based on a wealth of evidence from various fields of study. While the idea of an alien origin for humanity is intriguing and stimulates imaginative thought, the prevailing scientific view is that humans are a product of natural evolutionary processes that occurred on Earth. Dr. Ellis Silva's hypothesis. Dr. Ellis Silva's hypothesis presents a unique and intriguing perspective on human origins. In his exploration of this subject, Silva proposes that humans might not be native to Earth, but could instead be from a different origin, potentially extraterrestrial. This hypothesis is built upon a series of observations and arguments about the human condition, and how it contrasts with the Earth's environment. A central aspect of Silva's hypothesis is the analysis of various human physical traits and how they seem ill-suited for the conditions on Earth. For example, he points out the human body's susceptibility to sunburn, which is unusual for a species supposedly evolved under Earth's strong sunlight. He argues that this could be an indication that humans originally evolved on a planet with different, perhaps weaker, solar radiation. Silver also examines the human body's responses to natural elements and conditions on Earth.